Super cringy plush time. Oh, this is gonna be so dumb. Cut! Oh, why are we even here anyways? Because there's because we're trying to make a nature documentary, obviously. Seriously, we're just trying to... How'd you already forget where we were filming? You just got here 10 minutes ago! Geez, sorry. You're mean. Who even did I hire here? Oh, I'm Bob, and I came here I was hired because I thought Captain Olimar was giving out free autographs. My name's Green, and I came here because I thought you liked my dance moves. No, I hate your dance moves. Go away. Oh, you're mean. My name's Pinky, and you hired me because you thought I had a really cool, deep voice. No, I didn't. Oh, yeah, you're right. Behold, the grace and beauty of a wild grub. Huh? What's this thing? Hello? Hi. Go away, we're trying to film a wild grub. Oh, wild? I can be wild. No, stop dancing. Seriously. Later that night. Hey, it's nighttime. That means we might be able to get more footage of wild grubs. Yay! Have you been awake all night? What else do you think I'm supposed to do? Sleep? Oh yeah, that's exactly what you're supposed to do. Oh, I didn't know that. Oh, do I have to get up? No. I guess I'll do pink. I'll do Pinky. But where is Pinky? He's so late to the job. Dude, you're sitting on me. Well, I guess that means it is you, Red. Come on, go, go, go! Dude, my name's Bob! And let me get out of my sleeping bag at least. Behold, a wild sheer grub in its natural habitat. Cut! Why are you still in your sleeping bag? I just never took it off, but it's really comfy. Can I keep it on? No, of course not. Go get out of it and make it snappy. Oh, you're mean. Action! Behold, a wild grub in its natural habitat. We can see this one is asleep, but do not provoke it, for it will become aggressive at night. I don't know, because I've never seen one before. This thing's cool. Hey, dude, wake up. It's a wild grub. Let's see. Let's leave the footage on and see what we find. Oh, what? Oh, he wants to be wild again? Oh, come on, Bob. Let's do this. Go. Cut! Later that night, next, we will be looking at some Yoshis in the wild. It appears we have found some. Well, let's wake them up. Hey guys, wake up! Huh? Oh, hey, look! Wild Pikmin! Let's start the camera footage. It appears we have found a wild Pikmin. Dude, we're just trying to film a nature documentary of some wild Yoshis. Why can't anyone around here be wild? Oh, actually, we're actually not wild. We were just sleeping out around here because we were looking to do a nature documentary on wild Pikmin. Oh, come on, this is so stupid. Cut! The next morning, it appears we have found a wild frog. Hey guys, did you know you could save 15% or 15 minutes could save you 15% or more on car insurance? Sign up for Kygo today! Oh, I'm so out.